San Jose, your town, my town, our city. San Jose and our Santa Clara Valley communities. But what is San Jose? Is it the old City Hall Plaza? Or is it St. James Park in the summer? Or our public buildings with their impressive architecture? Or would it be to you the State College? No, it's not just one, is it? All of these things put together are part of the place we call home, San Jose. But how did these scenes get here? How did this great city grow? People came before the city. It took lots of people to build our town. When we got enough of them, we grew up, and San Jose became a city. But first, it required people.
The freeway to nowhere was the city's image. Even City Hall decided that the best place to be was out of downtown. The Mercury News, likewise, pulled up stakes, building a new plant several miles away. The skyline got awfully low, and it turned out that there was a lot more going down than was going up in San Jose. Pieces of our past gave way to the lowest common denominator, the parking lot.
Say she's crazy and her life's a mystery. Oh, but love grows where my rosemary goes, and nobody knows like me. There's something about her head on her mind. It's a feeling that's fine, and I just gotta say, hey, she's really got a magical spell, and it's working so well that I can't get away. I'm a lucky fella, and I just gotta tell her that I love her endlessly.